So I'm having this problem with OneDrive and the integration and the changes. This is just one example. A colleague of mine is asking me to proofread and print this particular document regarding the 6th grade parent letter rotation. I wasn't sure how to put it into a work order, so the next best thing I could think of was to shoot a screencast. So normally, what should be a 10-second process to open up a Microsoft Word document is turned into this huge problem. Let me show you. So normally we should be able to just double click simply on the attachment and it should launch. This has always traditionally worked. This is not working. There is, I'm not sure Microsoft Word will eventually freeze, but let's close that and we'll try another route. Okay, so if that doesn't work, we will try something else. So while that's deciding that it's not going to work, let's come back to the original message sent by Mr. Swanson, and we'll try save as. We'll try to save it, then open it. Of course, we get an error that our location is not available. Okay, no problem. As instructed, let's go to OneDrive, and we'll save that document in OneDrive. Now, if I'm correct, let's close this. This is finally timed out. If I'm correct, that should be saved in OneDrive. So I should be able to launch Microsoft Word. I should be able to come here, and I should be able to go to Open, OneDrive. Again, this is the error, so I'm in the OneDrive folder, and I should be able to sort by date modified. It should just be there. Unfortunately, it's not. I've tried every way possible I can to view this attachment. Let's back out of here, and I'll try the third way that I know. Again, Microsoft Word is essentially rendered useless by this process. Here we go again. So let's try one more time here. We'll try a different save location. We'll go save as. Again, my error message. We'll try saving it someplace else. We'll try saving it to the younger folder. Also, I still have access to all this. My understanding of the situation is that I should no longer have access, but I do. So we'll just go ahead and pretend like we can save here. No error messages whenever saving. If we come back here, we should be able to launch. And we should be able, actually it should appear in the recent, but it's not there either. But we'll jump through the hoops. So we'll come back here. We're going to browse again with the error that is constant, and we will come back here to the younger folder. Again, choosing date modified. The information just isn't here. This system is unusable. I'm not sure what the solution is. If I'm doing something incorrectly, it would have been nice to have some PD or some sort of guidance on this procedure.